In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the formatting of a slide by editing the master slide. This is going to help you save on time, and it's also going to help you make changes to preset themes that appear in templates and within blank Google Slide documents. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's say that, for example, I went and I chose the theme towards the very bottom that looks like this one. Now, in the event that I don't like the color or I'd like to change the dimensions, I'm unable to double click on it and do that. However, if I want to do so, all I have to do is go to Slide and come down to Edit Master. This is a master of all the different types of layouts. Now, we're going to move on to how you can change all the different slides that you have already created or edited at once. However, let's go ahead and finish up what we started, which was changing the dimensions and the color of the objects in the template slide. So let's say that I wanted to make this more even and larger. I could go ahead and edit it. And maybe I wanted to change the type of font that they use so that it matches another need that I have. Maybe I want to change, there we go, change the font size. Now, every time I click on this type of layout, I'm going to be able to have it look like this. We also wanted to change the color, so you can change the fill color. Remember that this color is for the text. I want to change the color that fills the shape. And so let's say that I decide to change it into a green. All right, that will allow anytime we choose a title slide, it's going to show up like this. And you can already see that our original title has already changed. So let's go ahead and quit out. And now, without having to do anything, without being able to double click and edit it directly on our slides, we have changed what the master title page looks like. However, as you can see, the other pages, we did not alter their masters, so they still are the same as the original theme. Excuse me. So what we can do is we can go right on up to Slide and edit the master, and from there we can go ahead and look at the different layouts. Now for our purposes, we were looking at, I believe, this slide, which has the title and then the different levels when people use the indent tab button on their keyboard. So if we want to change it to match this feature of our Google slide, we can go ahead and change the color, the same one. And maybe if I'd like to keep the first level and then the second bullet point indentation the same, or if I want to change the font, I can make all of those changes. Maybe those can all have a different, then we can keep those, whoops, go right back up. We have different fonts for different levels. And remember, do what fits your need. I'm just really clicking around so that we can see what it looks like when we actually test it out. And then let's go ahead and we can click that and change the fill to maybe a lime green just to add a little bit more. So if we quit out, everything that we have altered, including the fonts, have changed. So let's go ahead and if we were to start writing, this is the title of the slide. And then we could add, this is information we need. And then I think, what was it? We did bullet points, right? This is the information we need. Hello. And we can see all the different fonts are appearing just the way we edited them in our masters. So that is a quick and efficient way for you to change the entire look of your Google slide based off of a convenient theme. So go ahead, give it a try, and play around with the different features to see if you can create a completely original theme. Please also note that you can import whatever you create in future slides so that you don't have to keep recreating the same theme over and over again.